A warm welcome from Paris Le Bourget with a wonderful day. We are Expleo. We are here to support our clients, providing them with a competitive edge with services around digital engineering, providing them with next generation technology for a greener tomorrow. We are here with all our affiliates, Sterling Dynamics, Silver Athena and Aerotech.
We are trying to both support our customers in the field of the space and new space industries.
We are also going to give them innovative solutions to improve the rhythm of manufacturing thanks to our engineering, manufacturing engineering, and supply chain skills.
Inside of that challenge, there is an ever-growing need for cybersecurity skills, AI skills, and big data skills.
We want to anticipate tomorrow's issues.